school with him and asked her what she knew about him, what she thought about him. And that's when she told me.
She's very in tune to the boom booms, and I think it's because y'all gave her the suggestion.
Yes.
She's usually just fine, but now she keeps jerking her head in the direction each time she hears a boom boom.
Sam emphatically denied any involvement in Kathy's murder, but just the idea spooked Tina.
You could hear him pretty faintly in the distance as she's facing the direction of the city fireworks show. I stood in my dining room window over there. We could see him. And I hear a neighborhood behind us that way. I hear him there too. I hear the boom and then spray. She's usually not, normally she's not really bothered by it. I don't know, it just seems like, I don't know, you see her ears pricked. Roxy, it's okay, baby. Mommy's coming home. See, she's just moderately concerned. Thankfully, she's not like under the table. Well. What you did, Roxy? Are you okay?